Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily screen record on iOS 12.5.1. Now the process has been made insanely easy by Apple. I'll be showing you the full process, but before I start, you might notice that my iPhone 6 has the iOS 14 widgets on my device, the iPhone 10 gestures, all that good stuff. If you want to see how to do that, just check out my channel page, scroll down a little bit. I'll also put a tutorial in the description, but just in case I forget, just check that out because I think it's really cool. If you have an iPhone 6 or iPhone 5S, you should probably be putting that onto your device. So with that being said, let's get started. So all we need to do to enable screen recording and get it set up is just open up settings, and then we're going to scroll down until we see right here, Control Center. Just tap on this, Customize Controls, scroll down, and then you see an option right here, Screen Recording. Tap on the big plus, and now we have enabled screen recording onto our phone. So we're just going to go to the home screen, and if you have a stock iPhone 6, you usually just swipe up from the bottom. However, because I have the iPhone 10 features, I have to swipe down from the top right. And now you can see right here, we have the brand new screen recording toggle. So what we do is we long press on this, and you can see we have the option to start recording and microphone off. So we tap on this, we're going to enable the microphone, and what this does is it will capture your audio when you speak. It will be captured. If you turn this off, it's only going to capture the internal audio, meaning if you're playing a game, it will capture the game audio. However, silent mode must be off, so just make sure you do that, and you must have audio on your phone, otherwise nothing's going to be captured, right? So once we've done that, we'll just long press again, and we'll tap on start recording, and we'll wait for the time now to cool off, and now we've started the screen recording on iOS 12.5.1. So every action you do will be recorded, opening up applications, all that good stuff. And I'll show you as well, yes, I'm running iOS 12.5.1 on the iPhone 6. And this is an iPhone 6, you can see, yep, big iPhone, there's no S logo on the back. This is an iPhone 6. Oh, look at this. Look at that bulge. But anyway, you can see that's an iPhone 6s, that's an iPhone 6. So every action we do is fully recorded. And if you want to stop the screen recording, all you need to do is either tap on the big red bar right here, or go back into Control Center and then tap on this red icon, and the screen recording is done. So you will see screen recording video saved to photos. You have to wait on the home screen until you see that pop up. If you're recording like 30 minutes plus, you might have to wait for quite a while, because if you lock your phone, there's a very high chance, it's 100% certain that the recording will corrupt and all that footage you recorded will be lost essentially. And so if we want to check the recording once it's saved, we go to Photos, Camera Roll, and then we tap on this right here, and we can play it back, and you can see, yes, every single action on my device was properly recorded. You can see me scrolling around, you can see me opening up settings, and it's going to show me that I'm running iOS 12.5.1. Everything I did earlier in the video, you can fact check it, is showing up, and you can see the time as well, 7:56. Right now it's 7:58, so yes, it successfully screen recorded our device. Also, if you're a subscriber, smash like for that. Anyway, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye-bye.